In a quaint village surrounded by vast fields of emerald green, there lived Hassan, a devout farmer. Hassan, his wife Amina, and their 3 children led a simple yet content life, abiding by the teachings of Islam. However, a year of relentless drought had left their crops withered, putting them on the brink of poverty. One cold morning, as Hassan sat contemplating how to provide for his family, he raised his hands in prayer. "Ya Allah," he whispered, "aid us in our time of need." Little did Hassan know, his supplication was being answered in a most unexpected way. Just as he completed his prayer, a merchant named Ibrahim passed through their village. Ibrahim was a fellow Muslim who had prospered tremendously in his trade. Sensing the serene yet faded aura surrounding Hassan's homestead, he felt a tug at his heart. Ibrahim approached Hassan with a warm smile. "Assalamu alaikum, brother," he greeted. Upon learning of Hassan's plight, Ibrahim generously offered seeds he had intended for aiding communities in need. "These were meant for a purpose," Ibrahim explained, "and now I see that purpose is here." Delighted and grateful, Hassan accepted the seeds, promising to nurture them well. As days passed, with renewed hope and the blessing of rain sent by Allah, the seeds began to grow. The fields transformed, lush and bountiful, providing enough to sustain Hassan's family and share with neighbors. One evening, under the starlit sky, Hassan gathered his family and recited a heartfelt prayer of gratitude. Amina added, "Let us always remember, Allah provides when you least expect, through channels we may never foresee." The family's fortune turned, illustrating the profound mercy and vigilance of Allah. The moral of the story is, never lose faith in Allah's provision, for He provides in ways beyond our understanding.